In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a social page so people can go from social media into any of your offers, how you don't have to be ready to do a full live or evergreen launch, how you can create a standalone offer to instantly sell any of your offerings, and how you can create a VSL, a video sales letter, so someone can click on a page that goes to a simple video with a call to action. So what you're going to want to do is first, let's go ahead and have an offer in place. If you don't have an offer, you can talk to our team, watch our tutorials on creating an offer, but I want you to go and create your offering, whatever the offer is. And when you're inside of an offer, on the first step, we want to make sure that you say yes to an important step that gives you standalone pages. And it's in the first step under details. If you just come down here, we ask you, would you like standalone checkout pages for this offer? If you say yes, then we're going to ask you for branding related questions. By default, we say no, and none of these questions will be visible. But if you just put yes, then we're going to ask you some branding related questions. So brand color, what fonts you want, logo, no logo. If you don't have a logo, all good. You can put your company name. Then you can write a headline, choose the theme, background image, basic information. And what's going to happen is you're now going to have pages ready to go without them having to be linked to a launch. So here, as you can see, we have our links. So I'm going to go to the full price page, and here is our tiered offer page. So you can link whatever page you want, but once you have this, now we have all of our URLs, right? So the beauty of that is that you can instantly put them inside of your social page. So how do you create your social page? So for your social page, all you have to do is you go to Business Builder. If you haven't built a business yet, this screen will say create a business. You would hit new business and you'd go through the steps on creating a business. This tutorial is not about creating a business and it's only a few questions. So once you've created the business, you unlock the Business Builder. That is where we'll roll out websites, customer journeys, skill library, which will be called lead funnels here in the coming days, communities, but social page is where you want to click on. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Leftspire business that I built in here. And then if you just click on social page, it'll take you to this screen. So from here, you just come down here. You can modify the background opacity. So the darkness, you can either do 0 or make it dark. You can update the color, so what color you want, and that'll change these colors specifically on the social page. Then we want you to upload a profile picture. You could do a logo, but I highly recommend that you do a profile picture so people go from social media and they click on your page. Then you add a background image, so whatever image you want. And then we give you the opportunity to write a headline. In this case, we do recommend you just put your social handle right here. And then you have a call to action or a description. So write whatever you want. And then it's where it gets fun is you come down here and you can add your social page button and your links. So as many as you want. So if you can come down here, you can see that we can say add another and it would just add more. We can write a headline, a subheadline. So headline is this, subheadline is this. And then where does that link to? So I'm going to remove this, but the beauty of that is you could take your standalone offer, grab whatever specific link, whether it's your special offer link, the beauty of our special offer links. So I'm going to click on this and you're going to see for a second a countdown and it's going to go away. The reason why it's going away is because, so you see that and it went away. The reason why that's happening is I have already clicked this link. So now with standalone offers, we are tracking people's IP address and their cookies. So if you have a conversation with someone or they go from your social page and they click on a special offer, a limited time offer, it's going to have a 24-hour countdown and it's going to be tracked to their IP address, to their cookies. So what that means is if they don't take action within the 24-hour period, then it's going to redirect to the full price offer. This will support you in getting more conversions because it creates a sense of urgency without you having to really do anything. So you can put whatever links you want here. Now, besides putting in an offer, what else can you do that could be a quick, easy, not a full launch, but something to add value to people? So I want to show, I'm just going to go and grab one of Preston's videos. You can do whatever video you want, anything that adds value, but I want to show you how simple it is to create a page inside of Launchware where you can upload a resource like this, put it on a page, and then you would link it into your social page. So we're going to go back to our business builder. And I'm going to go to lead funnels. As I shared, you might see it as skill library right now. That's going to get updated to lead funnels. So if you haven't created a lead funnel before, you just hit create. There's also a tutorial on showing you how to do this, but it's very, very simple. So we would write the lead funnel name, the description. So I'm just going to go ahead and put something. So let's see. I'm just going to grab the title of this. You can call it whatever you want. but I want to create something that my contacts can click on, they gain value from me, and then they can take action on something that I'm offering. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste this. Let's see if he has a description in here. I'm going to grab this. So you write whatever description you want. Okay, beautiful. Then for lead funnels, you can create a specific category, just leave it in the general lead category. So I'm going to leave that alone. But down here, this is where it's important. Do you want it to be gated or ungated? Gated means there's going to be a landing page before the actual content. So before someone can consume this content on a specific page, they're going to have to put in their name and email. And while that's great and it builds your email list, you can now say ungated and create an instant VSL, a video sales letter, so someone can go consume content and then take action. So I'm going to say ungated. For the lead type, I'm going to select a video, and then it wants a thumbnail. So all you have to do, for example, I'm going to do it not as clean as it should be, but I'm just, for example, I feel good about this. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this right here. Typically you don't want the play bar, but I'm just, for the sake of this example, I'm just going to put that in there. Okay, cool. I have an image. So I'm going to add the thumbnail image. Okay, and then down here for video type, go ahead and just do video link. You can upload your video to YouTube or Vimeo. We are going to be taking away the upload feature just because it's slowing down the platform. And so you can upload it to YouTube for free. And then all you're going to do is you're going to grab the URL from YouTube. You'll paste it, so YouTube, Vimeo, wherever you want, and we'll hit continue. So then it takes a minute, just let it load, and it's creating your ungated lead funnel. We're going to customize it here in a sec, but let's let it load. Okay, beautiful. So once you've done that and you get to this point, I want you to come customize it. So click on this little gear. This allows you to update this even more. So for example, it's asking for a logo, so we can customize this further. So if I were to go to Preston Smiles International, I'm going to grab his logo. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to upload that logo that I just downloaded. For favicon are these icons that you see on in the internet browser on the tabs. So I would just upload the same logo. You can do just the icons if you have an icon, but if you don't, I wouldn't overcomplicate it. Just upload the same logo. Then for background image, whatever background image you want. In this case, I'm going to make it very, very simple and just add a black background image. From here, since we said it's ungated, we don't need to worry about media on the landing page. We actually don't need to worry about the headline because it's using our title of the actual lead funnel for the ungated page. We do want to modify the brand color, so I'm going to go to Preston's website. I like this pink. So if you use Google Chrome, you can get this color pick eyedropper. It's a free Chrome extension, but if I click that, I get the exact color from his page. So from your page, so you close that. I copied that little code, and then I'm going back here. I'm going to paste, click back in, boom. Okay, so it has our color. If I wanted to change the headline, I could change it to whatever font. So, okay, Montserrat. And then down here, it's asking, do you want to give them next steps when they go to your page? So I'm going to say yes. Ready to unlock your true abundance. Book a one-on-one call here. So I'm just going to send it to our Calendly, but just for the sake of the example, so you can see. Okay, beautiful. I'm going to hit continue. And now it's going to update our funnel. So it's going to add more of our branding behind it. And most importantly, it's going to add that call to action. So once it's done, very quick process, we now have this URL ready to go. So if I copy this, open a new tab, and I paste, now we have a page that's ready to go with our branding on it, and it's a value add. So all you'd have to do then is I could click this, copy this, and in my page, I would come down here, I'd say add a social link, and I'd come here and say whatever headline I wanted to say. Free 7-minute transformation. Watch this short training if you want to unlock your true abundance. So whatever headline you want, we're going to put that link, and then we would come down here, we'd hit save and preview. So now this has been updated. So now, once again, we have the ability to instantly create a quick page that can add value to people. We added a call to action on the page so people can go to the next step. So they say, okay, I gained value from this. I want to explore next steps. They would click this and go to your page. Maybe you don't have a Calendly or you don't want to get on a call with them, but you wanted to put this as an offer. So you could grab any of these links, go back into the editor, put that link, and then they can get a special offer or full price offer to your thing. And you didn't have to create a full launch. You have this ready to go. And if I show you Preston's, so if we look at Preston's account, he has a link right here. If you click on that, he has an additional link, but if you click on this, it's all his links, and this is his social page. So obviously this looks different on desktop, but the 99% of the people that will click this will be on mobile. So it'll look like this for them. So they can go and click on whatever aligns with them. And now you have a professional way to take people from social media into your offers to add value to them, get them on calls. So if you're not doing launches, completely understand, but there's no excuse for y'all not to be creating an offer. Make it a standalone offer, create a social page, create value add content, add it to your social page, link it to your social media, and boom, now you have ways to take people from social media into your world and get high ticket clients. So go ahead, play with the platform. If you have any questions, you can message us here, or if you have specific questions and you want coaching on the platform itself, attend our Wednesday coaching calls for product mastery, where you get to sit with our head of customer support. He'll guide you on all things product, how to navigate it, so you can start making money with Launchware. So with that said, looking forward to seeing what y'all create. Let's get it, y'all. Peace.